Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove pin and password from login screen in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a sign in options, open a sign in options. After doing this, just select a password or a pin which is you are set. Now you can see that the only option is appear change. Now click on it. After doing this step, type a current password. Click on next button. Now you can see that the only option is appear change your password. No new password and confirm password must be blank, and hint password must be entered which is you want, and click on the next button. After doing this step, click on a finish button. Now you can see that add option is appear. Your password will remove. Now after doing this step, restart your computer.
Oh,
Now guys, now you can see that password will be removed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.